So I'd like to redo the calculations we did in the last two problems using Excel. Excel is a very useful spreadsheet. You have it for free with your JC account. The online version, you can also download it to your computer if you want. So we're going to calculate the amount of change between these two values. This is the $3.50 and the $3 from the caffeine problem or the coffee problem. And here's the $6.55 and $7.25 from previous problem. So I've got these values in here. Now notice I titled the original amount as the old value and the new amount as the new value, surprise. And the way we type in formulas in Excel is you hit the equal sign, and then you can select cells, you can type all kinds of formulas in here. So we're going to start with, remember, the way we calculate this change is we look at the new value and subtract from it the original or the old value. Hitting enter, I get, there was a 50 cents decrease in cost for the new value to the old value. Now here's a little trick. Notice I've selected the cell where I had the formula. You can see up here in really small font is the formula. And with this selected, I can move my mouse to the lower right-hand corner. It changes to what looks like a plus sign, and I can drag it. And what this does is it keeps the formula and drags it, down, and notice the new formula now has the subtraction of these two. So it's a shortcut that's going to be super useful in some of the projects we do. All right, next thing we want to do here is now calculate the percent change. So to do this, we've got to know the formula. Remember, the formula is new minus old divided by old. Well, this amount change is actually the new minus old. In other words, the numerator of our formula. So if we want to calculate the percent change, all we have to do is take this new minus old amount and divide it by the old amount, which is housed in that second cell. Hit this enter, and we get that decimal. Now, maybe I should change this into, as he has done here, this is the decimal form of the percent change. So if I want to get the percent form, so let's call that percent change percent form, we have to multiply these values by 100. So again, hit the equal sign, select that side, and then you hit Shift 8 for the multiplication sign. That's an asterisk, and we're going to type in the 100. And now this number in here is a percent. Now there's another little trick. If we want just one decimal, we go up to the screen here, and this gives us exactly one decimal. We can get down to just the full percent. We can add a few more. Let's just do a 1/10 of a percent change.